Ki pulit ke is khasi hil sa kajanmi jong ka santrik nailur. Kila yo ban bat no yalai tili ki kali remdor ki bata yet yong nakhmat ke Secretariat. Na kini ki kali ki pulit kila yo ban Kurup no ya santali ki suloi slog airgun lambat ki jan pong rong yong vest baju pundan kam de ki pulit Special Operation Team SOT. Ya kini ki tiar siat la yo ban Kurup no nakawai ke kali odi rong sao ka bolero Mahindra rong yong bat ke Innova rong yong. Ki pulit kila bat no ya kini ki kali namar ka jingta yet yong hakaba artali na ki kimpat dan satya ya registration number. Na pedeng kini ki lai tali ki kali ki belasyak bat no tang ka bolero Mahindra ka badan ya registration number ML not San AF not lie not kedai. Na kaliang ki pulit kila pelong ka jingta okit ban lap ya ki terai jong ki kali bat ban pensisya lai ki tiar sian bakurup kidai ki basisya ne kidai ki pakai.
What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
स्पेशल वहाँ पड़ेगा निकलो इधर से मतलब जमा करता है मतलब गाली देगा तो बात में अलग बात है ना चल बॉय ये तो सेफ्टी है ये नंबर की ये ना चली भाई ये हाँ हेल्प बॉय
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.